One of the ways I'm planning to be a better me is by reading a daily textbook to give me a scripture to meditate on each day. I'm not always great with keeping up with it, so using a faith planner helps keep me consistent. I have space to write that scripture and then also my thought or how I can apply it. I've already cut out printables that I got from Print Price Slay that have girls dressed in their plaids, and I've pulled stickers from the HappyPlanner Glam Girl book that I can use. So please join me as I decorate for the week. My HappyPlanner Grace Upon Grace for my spiritual life. This has been my favorite HappyPlanner I've had. I'm in love with the colors. I use the months to plan out my spiritual schedule, and then during the weeks I use the space to write out my scripture and then also how I can apply it. I decorate it because it makes me excited to keep using it, to have the pretty book to look at, like here. So now I'm going to decorate for the week of December 10th. I was inspired still by Becca Curry mixing leopard and plaid. So I'm using these girls from Print Price Slay. I do PR for her. I'm a super fan of her shop. So I have a coupon code down in the description that you can use. And as always, I use my wax paper to pull stickers that match. So I went through my HappyPlanner Glam Girl sticker book, which I've been hoarding and not using very much. And I also went through the Glam washi book so that I could get things that coordinated. And I've got some washi. I've got some clips from Planner Chic that will match the leopard and the buffalo plaid. And I've got all these girls, so let's get started. thought it would be nice to show you an after the pen as well. You can see I use the tablet or my phone to read the scripture. First I write the scripture and think about how it can be applied. And then I read the application on that scripture and think about how I can make it personal. I abbreviate it so I can write it in the confines of the space. This is something I attempt to do daily, although sometimes I get behind. When I do, it takes me about an hour to fill out the whole week. I didn't want to make you sit through that, so I condensed it. I'm in love with all the printables I get from Print Price Slay, and I use them for my Bible journaling and my planner. I want to help you start a collection too. Down in the description, there's a coupon code so you can save 15% off your next order. If you'd like more tips and inspiration on how you can be a better me too, subscribe here on YouTube and follow me on Instagram at the links below.